Have you spent many years already working in project management as project manager, project director, program management office, and you don't know what's the next big step for you? I had this question with my teams. I've been managing large teams and many groups of project managers where they had great experience, many years, 10, 15, but we didn't know what to give them next. Yeah, so this created something in me that I said we need to develop the next layer of project management. And for me, that was clear: is strategy implementation. We go from the narrow view to the bigger view of implementation and strategy execution. So if you want to develop into that space, which will open many, many doors, then strategy implementation is the right career path for you, the next level. And you can learn more about how to become a strategy implementation professional. See you soon.